dive into the digital age. Join us as we explore the dynamic world of digital marketing, freelancing, and the revolutionary impact of artificial intelligence. In today's world, staying ahead in the digital space isn't just an option, it's essential. Here, we're all about making complex concepts accessible, whether you're a seasoned freelancer or just starting out. First up, digital marketing. It's not just about being online, it's about being omnipresent. We'll share tips on how to enhance your strategy with SEO, content marketing, and social media hacks that actually work. Next, freelancing. The gig economy is booming and flexibility is the new currency. But how do you stand out? We'll dive into building a compelling portfolio, negotiating contracts, and managing client relationships like a pro. And we can't forget about AI. This isn't sci-fi, it's your new best friend. From automating mundane tasks to personalizing customer interactions, AI tools are reshaping how freelancers work and thrive. Whether you're tuning in for insightful tutorials, expert interviews, or just a dose of inspiration, our channel is your go-to hub. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our weekly uploads, helping you to not just keep up, but lead in the digital race. Let's embark on this journey together. Transform your skills, amplify your impact, and ignite your passion in the digital world. Are you in?